It's so light and easy to use, it's worth doing. My name's Lee Bilsby Limited, the company, and I'm from Clacton in Essex. Well, I was staying in Nuneaton last night with family, but to get home is about 3¾ hours. Yeah, I mean, Dan explains it very clearly. Definitely knows what he's talking about. He's got the knowledge, obviously. And yeah, the brand, it looks good, yeah. A knowledge of the product, hands-on, practical, and that's what I've got. I do work for the local council, and this would be ideal for the black spot mould. The cork, yeah, it's really interesting, and I think it'll go well with what I do. Definitely come and have a look. The practical experience, it's so light and easy to use. It's worth doing.